To share a document, open the file you want to share. So let's say we want to share this Creating Columns newsletter. Go to the square blue tab at the top that says Share and click on that. And now you'll want to enter all the names and email addresses of the groups you want to share with. Now this tab right here, you can select Can Edit, and the other person will be able to edit your document. If you select Can Comment, then the person will only be able to comment. And you can select View, and the person will only be able to view that document. If you want to get a shareable link to send to someone, you can click Get Shareable Link, then copy this link and send them that link. If you click on Advanced, you can see all of the people that you have shared the document with and who the owner is. Everyone you shared the document with will receive an email with a link to the document.